In this video, I'll show you how to delete photos in bulk on Google Photos from your desktop and the Google Photos app. From your desktop, go to photos.google.com, click on the search bar, select a person, and then click the first image you want to delete and hold Shift, and then scroll down to the last image you want to delete while still holding Shift, and then click on that last photo, and then you can release all the buttons, the Shift button, and click the trash can, and then click move the trash. From your phone, open your Google Photos app, click on the search icon at the bottom of the screen, select a person, use your finger to tap and hold the first image, and don't release it, and then scroll down to the last image you want to delete, and then click the trash can.